A lot of people with social anxiety feel like they're lacking confidence, but really it's defined by a fear of negative evaluation or a fear of being embarrassed. And there are two main ways to tackle this fear. The first is to look at what you're thinking. Now, the voice of anxiety is going to be very loud and very convincing, and it's going to tell you that people are thinking all kinds of bad, negative, awful things about you. Or if you do this, bad, terrible, awful things are going to happen. That's just what anxiety does. But it's really important to remember that anxiety blows things out of proportion or just flat out misses the mark. So rather than just believing anxiety, we're going to push back against it. We're going to start to challenge it. We're going to ask, where's your evidence? Where's your evidence against it? What else might happen? What are three other things they might think? So we can start to argue with or push back against anxiety. But what we also need to do is go gather evidence, meaning we need to go test it out. We need to say, prove it to anxiety and stretch out of our comfort zones. Now, as you stretch out of your comfort zone, anxiety is going to freak out. It's going to start saying, what are you doing? You're going to get judged. It's going to make you feel anxious and uncomfortable. That just means you're on the right track. But the more you stretch out of your comfort zone, the more you're going to get to realize those bad things anxiety promised would happen don't. And on the rare occasions that they do, you're going to get a chance to say it's really not that bad. The more you can put yourself out there, challenge yourself to face those feared situations, the smaller and smaller this anxiety is going to get.